Old habits die hard. It's hard to let things go, but it is finally time to let go of my old sewing organizer. She is broke down. The lock is broken. The handle is broken. The inside is a mess. It's time to get a new organizer. Let's go. This is the adorable bag from Singer that I ended up going with. Let's take it inside the sewing studio and I'm going to show you everything it has. Isn't she cute? My number one complaint about my old organizer was how disorganized it was, which is why I fell in love with these Velcro pads. They let you completely reconfigure the inside to whatever you need. Scissors, rotary cutters, thread. If my needs change, the bag changes, and I love that. And it's also soft-sided, so nothing pokes and everything stays protected inside the bag. I also fell in love with these removable Velcro zipper pouches that are perfect for little odds and ends that always seem to get lost in the bottom of your bag. No more missing sewing feet. I just love the way that everything has a place. Everything zips up tight so I don't have anything flying when I open the bag, and everything is just so easy to see. It all feels spacious and durable, and I have to say 10 out of 10 for my purchase. I even tested to see if the top was spill-proof, and a little dribble of water didn't hurt it at all, unlike my old bag. So needless to say, the old girl is getting taken out to the trash, never to be seen again, and this new one's coming to Sewing Club with me tonight.